Hey y'all, it's just me, Robin, and I hope you're having a good day today. Today I'm participating in the Dollar Tree Fall Floral DIY Challenge 2019, hosted by Heidi Sonboul and Maria of Artsy Cupcake. So I used an old wreath that I purchased at the thrift store, along with Dollar Tree flowers, some pumpkins that I already had, my glue gun, some letters that I purchased also from the Dollar Tree, a can of spray paint that I already had, and what else? I think that's it. So what I did first was pulled off the lavender and purple flowers that were on it because that wasn't in my color scheme. Then I used the bluish gray flowers because for the holidays I'm going to be using blues, teals, silvers, whites, like I did last year. I kind of placed them around the wreath and moved them until I got it to where I liked it. So even though I'm participating in these fall challenges, I am by no means ready for summer to be gone. I love me some sunshine and the beach, starry nights, the warm weather. I just can't get enough of it. So as you can see, I like a lot of non-traditional colors, especially for the holidays. I guess you can say that's the boho chick in me. I don't follow a specific set of rules, for what colors go with what or what styles go with what. I just choose what I like, and that's what I go with. So this is the finished product, and I think it's pretty fall-ish to me. This will stay up until the end of Thanksgiving when I get ready to put my Christmas stuff up. I hope you guys enjoyed this little DIY. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Go over to Heidi Sonboul and Maria with Artsy Cupcake. Check out their channels also. Thank you, Heidi and Maria, for hosting this fun challenge. I look forward to participating in many more of your challenges and collaborations. And then I'll also put their channels and the playlist for this challenge in my description box. I hope you guys enjoy. Take care, be blessed, and y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.